Here's a nice sound for you. I think I missed a note. Let me try it again. Maybe that was better. Playing in A minor 7. And on top of it, I'm playing C. Adds 2. C major adds 2. So let's see how it works. When we play C major, we are touching the minor 3rd, 5th, and 7th. So basic chord notes, chord tones. And we are adding D, the 11th. So just opens it up a little bit. And in the beginning I was playing this pattern. I was jumping from the 5th to the 9th when I'm thinking about C major, and then going back to the root. So 5th, 9th, or 2, 1, 3, and then I'm keeping on over the next octave and the next octave, as I always do, practicing things across the neck. Yeah, even all the way up here. If you can, it's the best way. Let's play a phrase using this sound over 2-5-1 in G major. I'll do it again. I change it a little bit. I'll take this one. That was nicer. Let's break it down. This is the first part over an A minor, which is what we're talking about. That's that C major adds 2, starting from the 2, going to the 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 3, 5, 1. And then over the 5, the D7. That's playing around B major and B minor over D7. I made a lesson about this sound, so I'll link it here. Let's see if I can make that happen, and you can check it out. And I finished that with a simple G major pentatonic going up. 5, 6, 1, 2, 5. I'll play the whole phrase slowly. There you go. And we'll finish with a really cool chord using this sound. I love this one. So if we start here with the root, it's 1, 2, the 3rd is open, and then the 5th, and we can give this a nice 5th in the bottom. Yeah. Open strings, let's go. I hope you liked the sound. I hope you enjoyed the phrase. Yeah, happy shedding. If you want to check out the PDF I made for it, join me on Patreon. And yeah, I'm happy to hear from you. Tell me what you want me to talk about in the comments, and I'll see you in the next lesson.